seems like I sounded because I lost my voice, but like I saw it go zip, and then I heard a voice I can't see it, but right down there. So crazy. We went to a haunted lighthouse in Newport today. Yeah, I got cold. It's like me. I don't know, but it's so crazy. Yeah. I have a weird voice. Sounds like I lost it, which I am for some reason because I've been coughing. It's been about 15 minutes since probably about an hour since it happened over there. Well, probably since it happened over there. And did I hear that voice down there 15 minutes ago? Yeah. That's all for today. Yeah. We drove a long way, so not tired yet. Just cold. Not cold, but I have a cold. Yeah, so that's for today's news. This might be haunted too. Bye.